And awake functions kind of like start, only it's a step sooner. And what this is going to do is initialize tiles and set it equal to a new tile. What we're doing here is initializing the tile array, so we get an array that is the same height as our size variable and the same length as our size variable. I'm just going to initialize it to 10 also, because I feel like that's a good number. Alright, so now I'm going to do a doubly embedded for loop so we can traverse our array. And if you're wondering how I created these for loops so quickly, if you type in for and then press tab twice, you can actually, it auto-completes it, and you can just tab through to declare your variables and your length. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. So now, if I go tiles ij, I'm going to set it equal to a new tile. And this allows us to use the tile constructor. We are going to position this on I, J, and, well, let's not worry about Z, so let's just say 0. Now, this is where things get interesting. Well, because the chunk is going to be, it's never going to be on the same place, and the entire point of having these values is to know where the tile is. Simply doing this isn't going to give us the exact position of the tile. And because of that, we're going to have to offset it based on the chunk position. So if I were to say plus transform.position.x, and it gives this error, and that's because when you add an integer with a float, it gives you a float. So if you just cast it into an integer, it will get the error to go away. So yeah.